Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine. Please open your workbooks today. Robinson Crusoe. As you know that we have completed our exercises of Robinson Crusoe on our book. Again here there is an exercise about adverbs as we did yesterday. Again they want us to know more about adverbs. The first one is question, form adverbs from these adjectives. Let's recall about adverbs first, that adverbs are used to express how something is done, which means they talk more about how action is performed in the sentence, right? Yani adverbs tells us more about verbs in the sentence. So yesterday we talked more about regular adverbs and irregular adverbs, and I told you that regular adverbs are formed by adding ly or some little variations of spellings into the end of the adjective, right? So this exercise which we are going to do now, form adverbs from these adjectives, we are going to do like regular adverbs. Okay, we are going to add ly at the end of these adjectives to form them adverbs. So the first word is sensible. When we will be adding ly, it will become sensibly, right? Humble. Second word is humble. When we will be adding ly, it will become humbly. C is lucky. When we will be adding ly, it will become luckily. But slight more changes in the spellings, and what are they? ILY. Okay, not only ly, ILY. D is polite. When we will be adding ly, it will become politely. Leisure. It is our adjective. When we will be adding ly, it will become leisurely. And the last one is terrible. When we will be adding ly, it will become terribly. You see that before adding ly or before adding or changing the spellings, these words were our adjectives, right? And when we added ly, they become our adverbs. Hope you have understood so far. The second question is about comparing adverbs. What we read about comparing adverbs yesterday, do you remember? We read that a comparing adverb compared two actions, and when comparing two actions we add or we change spellings, right? Sometimes er, sometimes est to the adverb. Sometimes we use more. And comparative adverbs describes that how, when, how often, or to what extent of degree an action is done. Okay? Comparative adverbs tells us about the degree of that action which is performed. So let's do the exercises. Now fill the blanks with these. A is badly, and comparative adverb is worse, and superlative is worst. B is late, comparative adverb is later, and superlative is latest. C is little, comparative adverb is less, and superlative is least. D is much, comparative is more, and superlative is most. We even yesterday read the same. The third exercise about adverbs is use an adverb instead of the underlined words, like the boy lifted the injured child with great care. With great care give us a complete sense in form of carefully. Carefully is our adverb. What we did here, we replace adverbs with long phrase. Okay. B is she spoke in a soft way to the child. In a soft way. And what is adverb in the replacement of in a soft way? Softly. Softly. C is the man spoke in an angry manner. In an angry manner will be replaced with the adverb of angrily. And the last is the child listened to their teacher with great attention. With great attention. Yani attentively. We will replace with great attention this phrase with adverb attentively.